Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle of cutting wires? The Chrysler Mitsubishi factory wire harness is designed precisely for that. It connects your aftermarket stereo seamlessly to your vehicle's factory wiring, making installation straightforward and damage-free. This harness fits compatible Chrysler and Mitsubishi vehicles perfectly, ensuring a secure connection every time. You won't have to worry about splicing or modifying your factory wires, which keeps your car's original wiring intact and your installation clean. One satisfied customer shared how the harness worked flawlessly with their 2003 Mitsubishi Montero. That's proof it's not just a generic product, it's built to fit and function exactly as promised. The quality is solid, giving you confidence that your stereo upgrade won't cause electrical headaches down the road. What you get is a plug-and-play solution that saves time and effort. Instead of fiddling with complicated wiring diagrams or risking mistakes, this harness lets you focus on enjoying your new stereo. It's a smart choice for anyone who values both convenience and reliability. If you're considering an aftermarket stereo for your Chrysler or Mitsubishi, this factory wire harness is worth a look. It removes the guesswork and keeps your vehicle's wiring safe. No more cutting, no more splicing, just a clean, professional install every time. Ready to make your stereo upgrade hassle-free? Try the Chrysler Mitsubishi factory wire harness when you're ready to install. It's a straightforward solution that gets the job done without compromising your vehicle's wiring. With positive reviews highlighting its quality and perfect fit, this harness delivers exactly what you need for a smooth installation. Don't let wiring challenges hold you back. Choose a product designed to work with your vehicle from the start. Upgrade your sound system confidently and keep your car's wiring intact with this factory wire harness. It's the reliable link between your aftermarket stereo and your vehicle's factory setup, making your installation clean, easy, and worry-free.